Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another random repair video. This is a first in a series of videos and also a first for random repair. We've never done a series of videos like this. So you're going to want to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. So you're going to see these weekly update videos and everyone we're going to do. Here is a house that I just bought. As you can tell, it's a pretty big piece of junk, and you can see from the first clip that's inside, it's full of pigeon birds. A person bought this in order to my understanding, live with their family. They lifted it up 36 inches off the basement to make a 9-foot basement from what was a 6-foot basement. Here you can see the front porch is still sitting on the cribbing. Now the rest of this house is on 36-inch pony wall, and they do have a beam in it, and it is back down on the foundation. But they did this just as the city issued them a stop work order, meaning they could not go inside and do any more work to this house. Okay. I guess at this point they couldn't afford to make the necessary corrections to bring this up to code and to satisfy the city and the local building department. So they just stopped paying the mortgage. I bought it as a bank sale for 1/3 of what the previous owner paid for it before they did all this work to lift it up. On this side here, you can see that the skirting is temporary. There are a lot of birds inside. It's going to be a pretty big cleanup project. It's been vacant for a year. Now, this might have been a really bad financial decision to try to repair this house. But to just clarify, I did pay less than land value for this. Even after the house is removed, I paid less than land value. But that's not the point of this series. I'm really hoping for this series I can fix this thing. Not just myself, but myself and some professionals. So we're going to take you through repairing this incredibly huge piece of crap birdhouse. And we're going to show you step by step the successes and the failures. You know, like tearing it down might be easier. Building a new house might be easier. But, you know, DIY gang, fix the burnt Hellcat. Why can't I fix the birdhouse, right? So we're going to do our very, very best. Weekly updates, reasonable quality vlog style videos here showing you everything from, work being done, progress updates, city inspections. This house has a lot of problems, okay? The status of the water is unknown. I know it has a stop work order, so nothing can be done until permits are pulled. I can't get a city inspector in it until the birds are cleaned up. So you can kind of see where I'm going here with this. As you can see from this photo here, that's the stub, or this part of the video, that's the stub for the natural gas. The natural gas meter is removed. There's no natural gas. As you may have noticed at the beginning of the video, the hydrometer is super high now because they lifted it 3 feet. It's beyond what a service technician can get at that hydrometer. So that has to be repaired. The electrical panel is gone. This house needs an ESA inspection, which is the Electrical Safety Authority. It needs everything. So subscribe to this video. Make sure you turn your notifications on, subscribe to the channel. Make sure your notifications are turned on. Watch these videos because the first one's going to be coming out in about 2 weeks and we'll be here ready to go. Enjoy.